There are from 7 to 8 million fires a year, according to a statistic portal. And anyone can be affected by a fire, just like the architect that came up with this shield. After experiencing a fire in a castle he was restoring, he decided to make a practical, handy and reliable fire extinguisher, and so the shield was born. Before us is a powder fire extinguisher with an unusual shape. Depending on the version, it can hold up to about 13 pounds of powder. The shield is easy to hold and control with one hand. The creator explains that it's intuitive and complies with all legal regulations. There are also a variety of designs, so the fire extinguisher can fit in any interior. Plus, other versions are available on the site. One resembles a ring, and another works with hydrants. The cost of the system starts at $805. Next is something that will surely be of interest to hikers, fishermen, camping fans, and lovers of other outdoor activities. This cane chair even won a competition and raised more than $400,000 in funding. And for a good reason. One model weighs about 2.2 pounds. It can support up to 287 pounds of load, comes in several sizes, and allows you to take a break anywhere. 3 cane heights are available: 32.2, 33.4, and 34.6 inches. The seat height is 20 inches. Also, the design is waterproof and comes with a comfortable case. On average, you'll have to pay about $180 for one of these. At the end of 2019, solar panels produced about 2.7% of the world's electricity. It's not much, but hopefully these systems will help increase this figure, especially since the authors have solved the placement issue in a neat and simple way. These solar panels are built into floating islands. The test island consists of 180 panels, which, like sunflowers, change position during the day to face the sun. The peak power is about 73 kilowatts, and the island uses about 0.5% of that. The island is 125 feet in diameter, and it's easy to change the size of panels, as well as maintaining and replacing them. And the island also lowers the temperature at the water's surface, which reduces the risk of algae bloom. Modern airports are impressive in size. For example, the King Fahd International Airport in Saudi Arabia has an area of 300 square miles. You get tired by the time you get somewhere, and you also have to carry your luggage. The creators of this hybrid offer an interesting solution: a rideable suitcase. For about $500, the happy owners get the ability to travel at a speed of up to 6.2 miles per hour. The load capacity is 286 pounds, and one charge is enough for 6.2 miles. Plus, it has 2 built-in USB ports, so you can use it as a giant power bank. The suitcase has a capacity of 7.4 gallons, and it's unlike anything you've ever seen, the creators conclude. When you have a wound with a bandage, sometimes you have no idea if it's healing or if there's a worse infection. However, removing the bandage can disrupt the healing process, explain the creators of SmartHEAL. Their product is a wound dressing with a sensor that measures pH levels, and thereby lets you know if there's an infection in the wound. This problem, as it turns out, is very serious. For example, patients over 70 years of age risk serious complications if healing control is inadequate. The new dressing is easy to produce, requires no power or even wires, and the data is transmitted via RFID technology, just like bank cards. The team has big plans, and the bandages are expected to be on the market by 2025.